Return of the Stingray, 2014 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Black on black, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. A little over 27,000 on this one. Originally a Texas car. 3LT package, Z51 package, so quite nicely loaded Corvette also. Of course, 6.2 liter underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission in this particular car. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front fascia. As you can see, paint shows well. It is black. I mean, you may find a few little small touch-ups, but they are few and far in between. Like one right there, very tiny. You can tell that the previous owner definitely took care of this car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the underside, check out the engine bay, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Black on black with black wheels. Take a look up and down the passenger side. You can see the reflection coming off that paint, so there's a nice luster to it. Of course, bucket seats, ride control on the center console. Of course, there's your automatic shifter. Going to have all your amenities in a late model vehicle that is loaded up like this one. Dual climate control, electronic climate controlled, heated and ventilated seats, heads-up display, just to name a few. Dual mode exhaust with a center dump exhaust tips. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As the painted black roof panel is removed and in the trunk area, and you can see that in the still pictures, pictured up both ways, probably over 100 pictures of this car online. It will also come with the filler panel for the license plate bracket in the front. So where you've seen the unique plate on the front, there is the Corvette filler panel for that, and also the cargo net in the back, as well as the Corvette battery charger that will be included in this and in the trunk of the vehicle. And once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And as you can see, up and down the driver's side of this car, also nice and clean. Again, there's that reflection coming off there all the way to the front door. Nice shine to this black paint. Shows well. All right, let's go ahead and check out the interior of this. Of course, memory seating, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over on this side. And you can see, as far as wear, not much wear to the seat at all. Seating areas, bolster, all shows well. What you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles on it. Again, a little over 27,000, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated, original Texas car. There's your exact miles. And get those back up there for you. There it is, 27,751. See in the lower left corner. Of course, all kinds of parameters with this digital readout on the dash system that they have in here. Read up about them. It is amazing, the technology in this car, of course. AC blows cold. Very cold. I'll vouch for that. Of course, here would be your media center. Controls for radio. Dual electronic climate control, of course. Heated and ventilated seats, as mentioned before. Mode select, of course, traction control button in the center. Again, all the amenities you're going to have on a 3LT package. Nicely loaded Corvette. Slip around to the back. It's going to be rather quiet as it sits here and idles. Of course, with the dual mode exhaust, you get on this and on the throttle, it's going to open it up. 6.2 liters, going to have active fuel management. These are actually not a bad gas mileage car at all, considering the horsepower, which I believe is in the mid 4s, 450 to 460. I believe they were rated at, with about the same amount of pound-feet of torque. let's go ahead and pause this a second. Let me pop the hoods, check out the engine bay. We'll wrap this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look at the hood liner. Tell this car has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Nice and clean underneath there, as well as the rest of the engine. I haven't really noticed any sort of modifications on this one either. Stock looking 2014 Stingray. Amazing, the reflection coming off that black. It's like a mirror. And passenger side. Again, what you'd expect with that kind of miles. Clean Carfax. Smooth running vet. There you go. 2014 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Removable roof panel. Clean Carfax. Z51 3LT package. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.